Hello world, welcome to Yuki's kitchen. I'm gonna introduce glazed gurukun with tomato sauce. Let's get started. Today I will cook Okinawa fish gurukun. First, fillet the gurukun into 3 pieces. Remove the fish bones. Sprinkle with herb salt and leave for 15 minutes. Coat a heat-resistant dish with olive oil. Put dried fish and arrange it on a plate. For the tomato sauce that was introduced in the previous videos, I'll put the recipe video in the description box, so please check it out. Top with cheese and bake in a 200-degree oven for 20 minutes. Minutes later. Finally, sprinkle dried parsley on the top to complete.